Welcome to Packet Pilots. In today's session, we will show you some very basic configurations to set up internet access between a test PC and the internet. The lab above consists of one PC, a switch connected to the FortiGate, and the firewall connected to a CPE device that is connected to the internet. Port 1 of the firewall is connected to port 1 of the CPE. We will now access the firewall using the web GUI. Once logged in, you will have to configure the interfaces that will forward traffic. We will configure the one interface first, or in this case port 1 which connects to the CPE. Click on the port and go to addressing mode. Select manual and add your IP address. As the CPE IP on port 1 is 41.124, our IP on port 1 will be 41.224. Remember to click OK. You can now see that port 1 is configured with an IP address. Let's do a ping towards our CPE to see if we have IP reachability over the point-to-point. Very nice. Now let's do a ping to the internet. Not so nice. Perhaps we need to add a default route. Go to Network, Static Routes and add the default route. Remember the next hop or gateway router is the CPE IP address of 41.1 and out port 1. Let's send a ping packet to the internet again. Very nice. Now we move over to the test PC and we try and send a ping packet to the internet again. As you can see, no reply. When we do a ping to our local gateway IP, there is also no reply. Let's go continue with our firewall setup. We now go to port 2, which is our LAN interface connected to our switch. We assign it an IP of 192.168.1.1/24. We also enable ping. Let's see if we can ping our local gateway IP now. We can ping our gateway now. Let's see if we can send a ping packet to the internet now. Still can't. Let's go configure a security policy to allow a ping from the PC to the internet. Go to Policy and Objects. Select IPv4 policy and create new. Give your policy a meaningful name. Select incoming interface, that would be port 2. Remember that the ping will be initiated from the PC, so the packet will arrive on port 2 first, so that would be the direction of the policy. Then the packet will exit on port 1 as the outgoing interface. For this example, we select all for the rest of the other policy parameters. One exception, I would like to disable the default interface NAT for demonstration purpose. Let's see if the test PC can now ping towards the internet. Let's look at a PCAP file. I will run a captcha on CPE port 1. If you look at the ping, there is no reply. However, on the PCAP we can see the ping request being received on the CPE interface. If you look closer, we can see the source is still the original source of the test PC. With the source unchanged in the packet, the internet will not be able to route back to this private IP. In this case, let's go enable the NAT and see what happens. Go back to the Internet policy, edit and activate the slider for NAT. Let's send another ping request towards the Internet. Very nice. Let's also have a look at the PCAP now. As you can see, our source is now the IP of our port 1, and we can also see the ping reply. That would be the end of our journey today. Get out now.